Hello. Today I will take you inside the modern biology STEM laboratory of Muratbek Subakojoev Naryn Lyceum. The school lab is one of the 19th international educational institution support schools laboratories. In our school, we strongly believe that science is best learned through practical experience. In biology classes, students do experiments, observe living structures, and explore how life works. STEM laboratories are designed for practical learning in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. In our biology lab, students develop scientific skills such as observation, analysis, and critical thinking. Here, students learn plant cells, animal tissues, microorganisms, and the structure of living organisms using modern laboratory equipments. In short, I may say that we are proud to provide laboratories that meet modern educational standards, supported by a strong academic system and highly qualified and trained teachers. Our biology laboratories inspires curiosity, discovery, and a deeper understanding of life. Thank you so much.